And then you can just put this around and it's super decorative for your high pony. Boom, gotta go girls. Hey everybody, it's Boxing Monday. Just got a box in, so stand by. Oh, these are cool. So my friend Geraldine told me about the ponyo. How cute is the ponyo? You know what, I should just use this. Let's get rid of that. See, your hair is crazy. You want it to pop a little bit. I can't wait to use these on shows. So you just take your pony, you just pull it through. And then what's really interesting is you pinch, and what it does is it really pops your pony. So it stands higher. Now wait, look at all these ornaments. I'm feeling a little jagged edges today. These are so cool. They're like ornamentation. There's a little magnet, is that? Bam. Booyah. And then you can just put this around and it's super decorative for your high pony. Boom, gotta go girls.